Have you ever pondered the question, what makes life possible? The answer, in its simplest form, lies in the microscopic world of cellular biology. Every living organism, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whale, is made up of cells. But what exactly is a cell and how does it function to sustain life? Imagine a bustling city with factories, power plants, transport systems, and even a central command center. This is akin to what a cell is like. Each component of the cell, much like the elements of a city, has a specific role to play in the overall functioning of the organism. Firstly, consider the cell membrane, the city walls, if you will, which separates the cell from its environment. It not only provides protection, but also controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell, much like the city gates. Inside these walls, we find the nucleus, the central command center. The nucleus contains DNA, the blueprint for the cell's activities. Just as a city needs a governing body to make decisions and guide its operations, a cell relies on its nucleus to direct its functions. Now, let's turn our attention to the mitochondria, the power plants of the cell. They generate energy through a process called cellular respiration, which is analogous to a power plant generating electricity for a city. This energy is vital for the cell to carry out its functions. Just as a city has factories to produce goods, a cell has the endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi apparatus. The endoplasmic reticulum is where proteins, the building blocks of the cell, are produced. The Golgi apparatus then packages these proteins and dispatches them to where they are needed within the cell. Like a city's waste management system, a cell has lysosomes that handle waste disposal. They break down and recycle waste materials and cellular debris, keeping the cell clean and functioning optimally. Lastly, there's the cytoskeleton, a network of fibers that maintain the cell's shape, much like a city's infrastructure. It also provides a track for the movement of substances within the cell. In summary, a cell is a complex, self-sustaining unit, akin to a bustling city. It comprises several components, each with a specific role, all working in harmony to sustain life. The cell membrane controls the movement of substances. The nucleus directs the cell's functions. The mitochondria provide energy. The endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus produce and dispatch proteins. Lysosomes handle waste disposal, and the cytoskeleton maintains the cell's shape and aids in substance movement. Understanding cellular biology is like peering into the very essence of life itself. It's a fascinating journey into a world that, while invisible to the naked eye, is teeming with activity and complexity. So, the next time you pause to marvel at the wonders of life, remember it's all happening at a cellular level.